Parrot. Today we're using our Parrot voice to write uppercase letters S to Z. First, watch me. Then let's do it together. Here's a clue. Always start at the top of the letter. Before we begin, let's review our action words. Say, curve around. Say, make an ear. Say, make a hook. Say, zip down. Say, zoom across. Say, slide down. Say, slide up. Say, lift up. That means move your pencil without making a mark. Remember, we always write from top to bottom and left to right. Are you ready? It's time to write. First, let's start with letter S. Watch me. Curve around. Make an ear. Let's do it together. Curve around. Make an ear. Next is letter T. Watch me. Zoom across. Lift up. Zip down. Let's do it together. Zoom across. Lift up. Zip down. Now, let's try U. It's one easy step. Letter U. Watch me. Make a hook. Let's do it together. Make a hook. Letter V is next. Just 2 steps. Letter V. Watch me. Slide down. Slide up. Let's do it together. Slide down. Slide up. Now, let's try a harder one. Letter W. Watch me. Slide down. Slide up. Slide down. Slide up. Let's do it together. Slide down. Slide up. Slide down. Slide up. Next is letter X. Watch me. Slide down. Lift up. Slide down. Let's do it together. Slide down. Lift up. Slide down. Up next is letter Y. Watch me. Slide down. Lift up. Slide down. Zip down. Let's do it together. Slide down. Lift up. Slide down. Zip down. The last letter for today is letter Z. Watch me. Zoom across. Slide down. Zoom across. Let's do it together. Zoom across. Slide down. Zoom across. Yay! You get a high five for doing a great job. Thanks for playing. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. If your child is drawing a triangle, they may be ready to start the PALS Handwriting Program, starting with the Treasure Chest for uppercase letters. Head on over to playapy.com for purchase. Have a playful day.